Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change the projector headlamp bulb of a Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. So in most of the projector headlamp we get the bulb that is of H7 size. This is an H7 bulb of Hella. So let's get on with it. So this is the headlamp here, and here we can see a lock. It's very simple. So first we need to remove this cover. We just need to pull it and it will come off, and then we need to take the bulb. We need to place it in the particular. You can see that there is a bracket, there is a group which is made, so we just need to place it there and lock it. So friends, as we can see, the lock is set, it's locked, and there is no movement of the bulb. It's not moving at all, so it's fixed. So I guess this is done. So we just need to fix the wiring here. So just need to, okay, so this is done, and we need to fix the cap here. So it's a simple cap. Okay, so the cap is closed. So now we'll switch on the headlamp and we'll see whether it glows or not. Yeah, it's glowing. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the like button, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel if you are new.